In the silent void of space, Earth is but a fleeting speck of blue, an oasis in the great expanse. To look out upon it from the vastness of the cosmos is to witness the miracle of life. Yet, despite our achievements and progress, our world is fragile. Earth's resources are finite, and its survival is not guaranteed. So, humanity turns its gaze upward. We have always been explorers, always seeking to go further, to uncover the mysteries beyond. With Starship, we are not merely dreaming of the stars. We are reaching for them, beginning a new chapter in our story. A chapter that stretches beyond the bounds of Earth. A chapter that will define the future of humankind. Perhaps for the first time in history, we are on the cusp of transforming what was once fantasy into a reality. The idea of interplanetary travel, of establishing human settlements beyond Earth, is no longer confined to science fiction. It is here. Starship represents the culmination of centuries of human curiosity and technological evolution. From the earliest observations of the night sky to the moment we first ventured into space, humanity has long asked, what lies beyond? Starship is our answer. It is the vessel that will carry us into the unknown, where humanity will forge a destiny in the stars. Behind this vision lies a simple yet profound belief that humanity's future must extend beyond Earth, that the survival of our species is linked to our ability to live on other worlds. This belief is shared by a visionary named Elon Musk, who, against all odds, has dedicated himself to the idea that we are capable of so much more. To him, the future is not just about space exploration. It's about ensuring that humanity does not put all its eggs in one basket. It is about giving us the opportunity to thrive on other planets, to safeguard our species in the face of the unknown. And it's about creating a future where the wonders of the universe are not distant, unreachable dreams, but tangible realities within our grasp. Our ultimate goal is to make life multiplanetary. If we want to ensure the long-term survival of humanity, we must create a backup of our civilization. That means sending people to Mars, building colonies, and making life there sustainable. But we cannot do this with traditional spacecraft. We need something far more ambitious. Starship will take us there. Space travel, at its core, has always been about overcoming limits, about challenging the boundaries of what we can accomplish. In that tradition, Starship is a marvel of innovation and design. It is not just a rocket. It is the embodiment of a new era of space exploration, a revolution in how we travel to the stars. The ship's sleek, stainless steel body is not only built to withstand the harshest conditions of space, but it also represents a bold break from the past. While traditional rockets are often single-use, Starship is designed to be fully reusable, a principle that dramatically reduces the cost of space travel and allows for greater frequency of missions. The beauty of Starship lies not just in its design, but in its purpose. It is made to carry humans safely to destinations far beyond Earth. With a capacity of 100 passengers, Starship can transport entire crews across the void of space, facilitating colonization on Mars or the Moon. And the design is not just functional, it is inspirational. With each new prototype, each new test flight, Starship moves closer to becoming the vehicle that will one day carry us into the stars. The journey to build Starship has not been an easy one. There have been setbacks, moments of doubt, and tests that failed. But these failures are not mistakes. They are lessons integral to the process of innovation. Each setback is a step forward, a necessary part of the journey. It is through these trials that SpaceX has learned, adapted, and refined Starship into what it is today. And in every launch, every test, every challenge faced, we are reminded that the path to greatness is never linear. It requires resilience, vision, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. To venture beyond Earth is to face the unknown, but it is also to redefine what it means to be human. It is to extend our reach across the cosmos, to seek out new frontiers, and to answer the call of exploration that has been a part of our DNA since the beginning of time. The first missions to Mars will not just be about science. They will be about survival, hope, and the dawn of a new chapter in the human story. With Starship, the dream of living on another planet is no longer a distant possibility, but a concrete goal. Mars, the red planet, will become our second home, a new world where we can build, create, and sustain life. Before we set foot on Mars, we will return to the Moon, but this time, we will not simply visit, we will stay. The Moon is our stepping stone to the stars, our proving ground for the technologies and systems we will need to thrive on Mars. Under the Artemis program, Starship will carry astronauts to the Moon's surface, helping to establish a sustainable human presence. But the Moon is more than a place to explore. It is a place where we will learn how to live and work in space, to understand how to survive on other worlds. And in doing so, we will lay the foundation for our future on Mars and beyond. One of the most incredible aspects of Starship is its potential to democratize space travel. For generations, space has been the domain of governments, astronauts, and elite explorers. But Starship changes that. It opens the doors to the stars, allowing civilians to experience the awe of space travel. Imagine the moment you leave the Earth's atmosphere, gazing out at the curvature of the planet, knowing that you are part of a new era. Space tourism is not just about luxury. It is about bringing humanity closer to the cosmos, allowing everyone to witness the beauty of our world from a perspective few have ever had. Starship represents the future, not just of space travel, but of human civilization itself. It is the catalyst for the next great leap in exploration, one that will redefine the boundaries of what is possible. With Starship, humanity will no longer be confined to one planet. We will build cities on Mars, mining operations on asteroids, and research stations on distant moons. The cosmos will become our new home, and in this vast, awe-inspiring universe, humanity will no longer be alone. We will be explorers, colonists, and pioneers, a species destined to spread throughout the stars. The question of what's out there will no longer be a mystery, for with Starship, humanity will journey into the unknown, discovering not just new worlds, but new possibilities for life, for society, and for the future of our species. It is the beginning of something extraordinary. And for the first time in history, the stars are within our reach.